Can an LLC expire? Yes, an LLC can expire, but it depends on how it was set up. When forming an LLC, some states require you to list a duration. If you specify a limited duration, the LLC will automatically dissolve once that time period ends unless it is renewed or extended. Most modern LLCs are created with perpetual existence, meaning they do not expire unless the owners choose to dissolve them or the state administratively dissolves them for failing to meet compliance requirements, such as not filing annual reports or paying fees. If an LLC does expire or is dissolved, it loses its liability protection and legal status. To continue operating, the business would need to be reinstated or reformed. Zen Business can help you form an LLC with perpetual existence so you don't have to worry about expiration dates. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.